What's up guys, how's everyone doing? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use picture-in-picture mode in the YouTube app without a jailbreak. So picture-in-picture mode has been an option in the YouTube app for a little bit for premium members, but now picture-in-picture mode is slowly rolling out for non-premium members in the US. For whatever reason, Google is rolling this out kind of oddly, and it seems like this is only a US exclusive feature for non-premium members. And if you do have access to it, this will only work if it's a non-music related video. So if you meet the requirements and you have access to it, it's pretty easy to do. Just open the YouTube app on your device, tap on a video, and then from there, all you have to do is just swipe up on the app and close out of it, and there you go. You're in picture-in-picture mode. It's really weird to see an ad play in picture-in-picture mode. I haven't seen that yet before, but yeah, here's the video. It's playing in picture-in-picture mode. Obviously, you can resize the window just like you can in regular picture-in-picture mode in iOS, and you have play and pause controls as well as different controls like fast-forwarding it and rewinding it by 15 seconds. And yeah, it's pretty simple. That's how to get picture-in-picture mode on YouTube for free. Hopefully this comes to other countries for free very soon, because I can't really understand this rollout and why YouTube wouldn't just decide to roll it out for free for everyone all at once. I hope that this is coming to more countries very soon, but if you're in the US, I guess you get it a little bit early for free. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that like button. Also, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on that post notification bell, so that way you never miss out on a brand new upload. Again, thanks so much for watching. Have a good one, guys. Peace.